Well, hello there, and welcome to my cooking show. Today, we will be making a delightfully delicious recipe called Ethan's Toffee Surprise. First, we will take a look at our ingredients.
The only ingredients you need for this recipe are a bag of chocolate chips, some graham crackers, a bag of toffee bits, half a cup of pecans, 2 sticks of butter, half a cup of brown sugar. The first thing you will need to do is take a large baking pan. Next, you will take the graham crackers and line the whole bottom of the pan with graham crackers. Next, you will need a small cooking pot. Then you will take brown sugar, pecans, and butter and put them all into the pot. Next, we will take the pot and put it on the stove, allow it to boil for 3 minutes. Once this has boiled for 3 minutes, we will then pour the contents into the pan with graham crackers. Next, take the pan and put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and it will bake for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, you will take the pan out of the oven. And next, we will get ready toffee chunks and chocolate chips. First, we will take the toffee chunks and spread them out over the pan. And next, we will take the chocolate chips and spread them out. After that, press them in with a wooden spoon. Next, we will take the pan, put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour.